Hey, g'day everyone, and thanks for tuning in. It's a bit of an impromptu video. I wasn't planning on filming anything today, but I figured I'd bust a GoPro out and have a go. I've got to head up to my block up at Balgal Beach for two reasons. I've got to do a job for my next door neighbour. Keeps an eye on the place for me. He's got an old slasher that he needs cut up. And I started cutting up the other week, but I ran out of oxy, so I've got two fresh bottles in the back. Yeah, going to head up and get that job done for him so I can take it to scrap. And secondly, I've never had the power put on up the block because ergon seem to think it's appropriate to tell someone to be there from 8 to 5 all day, essentially, to get the power turned on. So I haven't had the time. But yeah, got to make it a priority, so I'm making it happen. Gonna go and blow the day, and hopefully they come around relatively early in the morning, but that yet to be seen. And yeah, while I'm up there, I might do a bit of filming and talk about a few of the upcoming projects, and yeah, see what all I got up there. I think it's been a little while since I filmed up there. And depending on how the video goes, I might even do a bit of filming when I get back. I might even run you through yeah, a couple of other cars we got, like the wife's hardtop and Jigsaw. Might even do a bit of a description on it for those of you who don't know. So yeah, like I say, I'll head up the block and yeah, we'll go from there, right? Alrighty, so yeah, this is our 5-acre block up at Balgal Beach. Yeah, a lot of you have probably seen this one before, but just like I said, I'm just sort of showing you what I'm up to today, just a bit of a different video. That video, yeah, I managed to get those coupe utes that we retrieved from up Paloma way unloaded the other day. My forklift wasn't working, so I had to strap them to the tree and yeah, drag them off. Unfortunately, that's another job I'm up here to do today, is try and get my forklift going. So yeah, that's where they're living. That's the AS, that's the AR. Don't look like much, but there is some good bits on them. So yeah, they're going to sit there for the meantime. That's me D5N. I'm going to turn that into tow truck one day. That's all that spare time I got. Yeah, so it's 318 manual. Don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it, but yeah, that's the idea, is yeah, to be able to put one on its back and tow a trailer and pull another one. So a couple of Holdens out the back there, not much doing with them, but yeah, that's an AR clip for AR cab I got inside. I'll go and unlock and I'll show you inside, eh? Rightio, so I got the shed open. First things I'll show you is this. Yeah, this is a AP6 sedan, got off my uncle. Started working on it. Fitted 400 big block in it. Obviously the exhaust aren't done. I just sort of did a bodgy setup with the exhaust just to get it running, because it did run and drive, or does run and drive. Yeah, 400 and a 77 in it. As you can see, it needs floors very bad. Overall, it's not too bad of a car, but yeah, obviously needs a lot of work. But this is sort of, I want to make this like a drag challenge car. Thinking maybe Pro Charger nitrous, not sure yet. That's sort of what I'm leaning to. Like I say, it's a long way off, but that's what that's one of my projects, next drag challenge project. Some of you might remember this one. Like I said, this is one I started on before I sort of got going with the other projects. It's a WB, but it's going to be basically, at this stage I think it's going to be a HZ Sandman lookalike. Done a heap of rust repairs on it as well. You can see a new plenum. Yeah, repaired the quarters wheel arches and stuff. Pretty solid little ute. Again, not sure when I'm going to get back to that one. And this here is rust-free C-line cab. Like I said, not sure exactly what I'm going to do with that cab yet, but it's yeah, obviously pretty handy to have in my hands. And this is AR cab that I bought well, years ago when I bought the AA cab and another AT4 cab. That's what the clip is out on the D5N outside. plan is, what I'm thinking is put this AR cab, this is actually a C20 Chevy chassis that it's sitting on. I want to stick the AR cab on this, and potentially, yeah, I'm not sure, I might put a long wheelbase tub on it. I've just been offered one, so I might put a long wheelbase factory tub on it. Don't know yet, like everything's up in the air with it. Haven't committed to anything. And this one here, which, yeah, if you've been subscribed to the channel for a while, you'd know about this ute as well. Factory C1100 short wheelbase, that did have a 253 and a Trimatic in it. I've ripped that out and I've started setting it up for 265 Hemi and Balgal 35, and I'm in the process of fitting a BA Falcon rack, which yeah, gonna make this thing a lot nicer to drive instead of the factory steering box, so we'll see how that goes. So which leads me to sort of a question I want to ask you guys, is that so either what personal project do you want to see next? Do you want to see me finish off the C1100, which at this stage my ideas are, like I said, 265, Balgal 35. Already started fitting Valiant column, so it's going to be column shift, bench seat, but it's going to be, I'm going to put 2-barrel sniper on it, so it's going to be a nice little driver. Going to be, yeah, basically stockish looking. Going to lower it a bit. It's already got a disc brake Will Warner in it, so yeah, it's going to have decent sort of gears. So yeah, that's option one. As you can see, I've already put a turret on it. The original turret was buggered. So yeah, that's option one, guys, and this is the other option. This one's a bit more tasty with the ideas that I've got sort of floating around in my head for it. Yeah, factory AS coupe ute. Now, what I'm thinking is I definitely want to chop the roof, but I've got a bit more in store. Yeah, a few different changes to the roof yet that I'm thinking of. Don't want to give it away yet, but yeah, definitely want to chop the roof. It's gonna probably sit either on a Holden chassis or yeah, like a potentially a Japanese chassis or something. I want to bag it and yeah, get it so when it's aired out, it's sitting on the ground sort of thing. So and again, not sure exactly of the drive line that I'm going to put in it. I have yeah, I have that V8, that 345 out of that D line, and I've purchased the adapt kit to put a GM transmission behind it, and I've got a spare turbo 400, so that's an option. Probably not going to use that, but it's an option. And this is one I want to make a really nice truck out of one day, but I'm toying with the idea of getting it going for now as a bit of a toy, bit of a rough and ready sort of a toy that I don't have to sink a lot of time into. This thing, yeah, someone's been playing with this before I got it, and then before Luke got it, it's been sort of chopped up. Someone already sat it on a Holden chassis. See these bodgy mounts on it. They've chopped the firewall, yeah, chopped the inner guards and that. It's a pretty solid ute, but someone's already started playing with it, so I'm not that hung up about modifying it because it's already been cut up. It's not perfect, but it's a pretty good coupe ute. It was missing the tailgate, which I've now managed to get one. It's on one of those coupe utes out there. It was the main reason why I went up there. Again, that tailgate's not perfect, but it's a core to start with, so yeah. So basically what I'm asking is, what do you think would be the next project you want to see? You want to see the C1100 sort of in a factory-ish sort of, you know, look, format, whatever, however you want to put it, or something a bit more radical, you know, in the form of the coupe ute. One of the ideas I had, you know, like I said, I'm not committing to them, but potentially thinking of pulling the 400 out of the AP6 and yeah, fitting it to the coupe ute, and maybe putting some yeah, some cheap turbos on it or something, and taking it to events and yeah, doing skids and stuff with it. Like I said, I want to eventually want to turn this into a really nice truck. Yeah, but for now I thought maybe I could utilise it in that fashion, and instead of beating up on jigsaw all the time, could be an option. Don't know, but yeah, let us know in the comments what you would like to see. Yeah, what do you reckon? Alrighty, that was pretty straightforward in the end. Haven't even bolted the coil on properly, just got to wire it up. Can't go, she fired straight up. So yeah, I'll mount that coil up properly, and the system stuffer in. Before I forget, I'm just going to knock the top out of this 44 old oil drum. Take it down the back. I got make it our incinerator, burn some old papers, eh? Alrighty, so that job's done. Lid's knocked out the top. I might fire at the forklift and yeah, shift that chassis out of the road there for now. I might see if I can get the tailgate off that other coupe ute while I'm thinking of it as well, eh? Oh yeah, so I freed that tailgate from that AR over there. Had to cut the hinges in half, couldn't get any harbour undone. Wasn't sort of expecting to, but yeah, just sat her on there, so that's that job out of the way. Not sure what I'm going to do next. Like I said, I've got to go do that oxy job for my neighbour, but I might spend a little bit of time just shuffling some stuff just so it's a bit more compact and not spread out. So yeah, might get over that, eh? Alright, yeah, so I got that oxy job done for me mate next door, and yeah, he gave me that carry-all for doing it, so yeah, worked out good. Alright, yeah, so that's Ergon Energy guy just leaving, and we have lights. Hallelujah. Only been, yeah, 4 months, 5 months in the making, but anyway. So yeah, we're done now, so what I'm thinking of doing is I might rearrange, like I say, I might rearrange some of this stuff. I might yeah, tuck that cab and chassis sideways to the Calais, move these clips, yeah, just so I can get in and out a bit easier, and potentially, yeah, maybe drag that C series out yet, don't know yet. I might make, depending on what you guys comment, I might, yeah, make these two sort of ready to yank on the trailer, depending on, yeah, which personal project we go next, eh? Rightio, so that's where we're going to leave it for now. I tidied a fair bit up. The forky has just decided to play up on me, so yeah, have to leave it there for now. I've got to go home and do some work. So I think I might shut this video off here. Might yeah, go through jigsaw and the wife's hardtop in the next video. So yeah, just thought I'd do a bit of filming on sort of, you know, some of the stuff I get up to, and yeah, run a few of those projects, boys. So as always, thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.